Hello, I will show you how to turn this simple ring into a hammered ring. I really like this design and I tried it a little while ago. I really liked how it turned out and I will show you the process and the tools needed. The tools are minimal, probably you have it in your household. You will need a ballpein hammer, some wooden blocks, a piece of cylindrical wood or that holds the ring. I found this piece, it was like a kitchen utensil. And then you just hammer it. I will place a timer in this corner because I will speed up the process. And now just adding some texture to the sides. So as you can see now, before it's shiny, it's slowly getting a texture. Just trying to hammer it to be a circle again. Here I can see a gap. I'm quite happy with the end result. I will just clean it a bit and return. Okay, so I cleaned it a bit and here you have it. A basic silver ring turned into a hammered finish. Of course, you can see a lot of videos where other skillful people make much better rings, but I did it with a hammer, 2 wooden blocks and a broken kitchen utensil. So, and all in all, it was less than half an hour. I will check the time when I started it and when I finished it, and this is the end result. Hope you liked it, and I hope my simple video will motivate you to try it yourself. Thanks for watching.